Here is my friend's Tricity Bendix TM220W Tumble dryer. Drying time control knob, half heat button, fresh cool button, programs, inside we have a label and a quick little notice. The filter I can't work out how to open, so unfortunately I can't get it out, so but I will turn it on, and as you can see it's really quite dusty. As you can see, it's also a safe dryer. It's an old one which has a timer that you can hear. That's it. That's all, guys. I'll be going now. Enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed it and have a nice day.